Okay, now we're looking at question 7. So we're still in lesson 4. Bet you guys enjoyed this one. This one's all kinds of fun. So the first part that they're asking for is they're just asking for the resistance at any one of these heaters. So let's take just a sec to look at it and see what it's actually doing here. You can see the way it's set up. You see the switches in the back. There's one position for 120, one position for 240. For this case, on this one, we're actually in the 120 position. So this one is R. The formula I want to use is R equals E squared over P. So R equals 120 squared all over 300 watts. Volts up there so we don't get anything confused. So when we punch in the numbers, this is just going to come out to simply R equals 48 ohms. So the first part of this is pretty straightforward. We know our voltage, we know what's applied here, but the way they drew this is going to seem a little odd. So let's just take a different color marker and trace where the current's going to go. So right now it's going to follow along here. Got a path here, come through, got a path here. It's going to join together, come through these switches, back. It's got a path where it can go here, a path here, and back around to our source. This is in its 120 configuration. It says that in the top of the question. And you can see when you switch it, when you flip it, instead of it going through both sides like it does here, we'd be taking this 240 volt source and actually taking these two legs and applying it both to this side and both to this side. That's what this knife switching back here where it would have the lines. That's what that's essentially showing you. It's a little bit more of a think question again, but it's not a bad one. So, simple to get to this part. The next part that they're actually asking us to do for the next type of question, they actually just drop it. But I wanted to kind of go through this one a little bit and show you just basically how this would react. So in 240 mode, it would take this out. You'd have your path here, it would come out, hit, and right there, right here is how it would get 240, because you've got this side and this side. That's how that would work. You trace it on this one, same basic reaction. And right there is how it would get its 240. Just quickly showing you that part of it. Pretty straightforward, but you have to trace it. And you could redraw this circuit too. Whatever way is going to work the best for you. Just keep an eye on it and don't let this stuff confuse you. You can actually take that right out and just draw two separate circuits so you can understand it better if that helps.